Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 4 of the angle formed by two secant lines. And yung angle na na-form is outside the circle. Nasa labas ng circle natin. Kaya ang formula natin is angle is equal to 1/2 times the difference of the bigger intersected arc and the smaller intersected arc. Now we have to find for the value of x. We know that arc or the measure of arc AB is 100 degrees, while the measure of the smaller arc, which is arc CD, is equal to 2x, and the measure of angle AEB is 40 degrees. Now, ano kaya yung value ng x natin? To solve for x, we have to make our working equation. So, we have the angle. Anong pangalan ng angle natin? Angle AEB. So, we have the measure of angle AEB. Okay, equal siya sa 1/2 and then multiplied by the difference. So, ano yung bigger arc natin? We have arc AB. So, the measure of arc AB, okay, minus the measure of arc CD. Okay? So, what is the measure of angle AEB? Yung angle AEB natin, ito yan, which is 40. Okay, equals to, copy lang yung 1/2. Now, what will be the measure of our arc AB? We have 100. Okay? Minus the measure of our arc CD, which is 2x. Okay? Then we know that 1 times this one is still this one. I-simplify lang natin siya. So, 40 is equal to 100 minus 2x over 2. Okay? Now, dahil this one is whole number, we just write yung denominator niyang 1 so that we can cross multiply. Okay? 40 times 2 is, correct, 80. And then 1 times 100 minus 2x is still 100 minus 2x. Okay? Dahil sinusolve natin si x, we have to isolate itong 2x. Ililipat natin si 100 dun sa kabila. So, we will have 80 from positive magiging negative 100 is equal to, maiiwan si negative 2x ha, maiiwan pa to kasi hindi siya positive. So, we have negative 2x. Now, what is 80 minus 100? Correct. Negative 20. Oh, baka nalilito ha. Dahil ito ay hindi pwedeng i-subtract, pagbaliktarin nyo lang siya, 100 minus 80, that's 20. Pero dahil mas malaki yung 100 kesa kay 80, magiging negative yung sign ninyo. Equals to negative 2x. Okay? Now, we need x lang. So, we have to divide both sides by negative. So, what will be the value of your x? Negative 20 divided by negative 2 is just 10. So, the value of your x is 10. Okay? Eh, ano kaya yung measure ng ating smaller arc? So, kung i-multiply no yung x kay 2 and yung x mo ay 10, this one will be equal to how many? 20 degrees. Kasi 2 times 10 is 20. Okay? O, sobrang dali nito ha. I-type nga kung sobrang dali o medyo madali lang. Okay? Now, you try to solve for this angle. Okay? What will be the value of x? If your arc AB is equal to 150, and your arc CD is equal to 3x, while the measure of your angle AEB is equal to 45 degrees. Okay? You try to solve ha, and don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring, kaya i-share na ang video na to. Okay? Bye!